Hi, welcome to Tap Tech. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is finally here, and it's one of the most exciting action cameras we've seen in a while. Insta360 is known for innovation, and with the Ace Pro 2, they've built something that doesn't just compete with GoPro and DJI, it takes a bold step forward. With a new 1-inch sensor co-engineered with Leica, 8K video, AI tools, and unmatched stabilization, the Ace Pro 2 is all about delivering pro-level performance in a compact, rugged package. From the moment you pick it up, the build quality stands out. It feels solid, with a clean design that's clearly built for adventure. It's waterproof up to 10 meters without a case, and with the dive case, you can go even deeper. It's shockproof, dustproof, and tough enough for whatever you throw at it, but what really makes this camera stand out is the sensor. The Ace Pro 2 features a large 1-inch sensor, developed in partnership with Leica. That means better low-light performance, more dynamic range, and sharper details across the board. Footage looks cleaner, brighter, and more cinematic, especially compared to smaller sensor cameras. You'll see richer colors, better contrast, and a much more polished image straight out of the camera. The IT supports up to 8K video at 30 frames per second. That gives you a ton of flexibility in editing. You can crop, zoom, reframe, all without losing quality. And if you want super smooth footage, there's 4K at 120 frames per second and 1080p up to 240 for slow motion. The slow-mo footage looks stunning. Every splash of water, dust particle, or hair movement gets frozen in beautiful detail. Stabilization is another area where Insta360 excels. Their flow state stabilization makes your handheld footage look like it came from a gimbal. Even if you're running, jumping, or filming from a bike, the camera keeps things smooth. And with Horizon Lock, you can rotate the camera a full 360 degrees and still get perfectly level video. No matter how crazy your angle is, the shot stays clean. The flip-up front-facing screen is bright, sharp, and super responsive. It makes vlogging and framing so much easier. You can see what you're recording, adjust settings, and swipe through menus without fuss. The UI is simple, clean, and fast. Voice control is also smarter now. You can say simple commands to start recording, switch modes, or take a photo, and the camera actually understands, even in noisy environments. There's also gesture control if you're far from the mic, which is handy when the camera is mounted out of reach. AI features are everywhere. You get auto-framing that keeps you centered in the shot, AI highlight detection, and smart editing tools in the Insta360 app. You can literally create a full video, with music, transitions, and effects right from your phone. It saves creators a lot of time and effort. The Insta360 app is one of the best mobile editing tools out there. It connects quickly to your phone, lets you control settings, preview footage, and edit on the go. And for more advanced editing, the Insta360 Studio software on desktop gives you full control, letting you reframe, adjust color, stabilize, and export in high resolution. There's built-in GPS and motion sensors too. That means you can overlay data like speed, altitude, and G-forces on your videos, especially cool for action sports like mountain biking or motorsports. It gives your footage a professional, data-rich feel that audiences love. Battery life is solid for a high-end action camera. You get about 90 minutes of 4K recording at 30 frames per second. Higher resolutions or frame rates drain the battery faster, but USB-C fast charging helps you get back in action quickly. Plus, you can hot swap batteries if you carry extras. The magnetic mounting system is stronger now, too. It makes setting up quick, secure, and flexible. Photos are impressive too. The Ace Pro 2 can shoot 48MP stills that look sharp, clean, and colorful. You can also shoot time-lapses, hyperlapses, and night shots. Low-light performance is surprisingly good thanks to the larger sensor. Footage at sunset, indoors, or at night looks much less noisy than with other action cams. If you want to live stream, the Ace Pro 2 supports broadcasting directly over Wi-Fi or your phone's hotspot. You can go live on platforms like YouTube or Facebook in high quality, with stabilized video and clear audio, no extra gear required. Speaking of audio, it's actually great. The internal mics pick up sound clearly and reduce wind noise effectively. But for even better sound, you can plug in external mics via USB-C or use wireless options. This makes it a strong option for vloggers and creators who care about audio just as much as video. This camera is designed for both casual users and professionals. If you just want to point, shoot, and share, it's got smart auto modes and quick edit tools. If you're a pro, you get manual controls, flat color profiles, and high bitrate footage that's easy to color grade. Compared to GoPro Hero 12 or DJI Osmo Action 4, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 offers a unique balance of image quality, smart features, and editing power. It feels more flexible, more polished, and a lot more fun to use. And the Leica lens isn't just a branding gimmick, it really does improve clarity and light handling at its price point. It's clearly a premium product. But you're paying for more than just hardware. You're getting a full ecosystem. From the smart app to regular firmware updates, editing tools, and a ton of mounting accessories. It's a complete package for content creators who want speed, quality, and convenience. If you're a creator who films action, sports, travel, or vlogs, and you want a powerful tool that fits in your pocket, this is it. It's built to last, easy to use, and packed with the features you need to take your content to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Tap Tech. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews just like this. Got questions about the Ace Pro 2 or want us to compare it with GoPro or DJI? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep shooting, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next one.